Welcome to Click My Project.
Defending against collaborative attacks by malicious nodes in minutes, a cooperative by detections approach. Abstract. It has two processes. They are reactive and proactive. These processes are performed to transferring the data from one node to another without any data loss, and the malicious node do not replay any information. And then in this proposed work to reduce the malicious node and increase the efficiency of data, reduce data loss, CBDS is able to achieve proactive detection in the initial stage and then change into reactive response in the later stage. The drawbacks of BFTR is the malicious nodes may still exist in the new chosen route, and this scheme is prone to repeated route discovery process, which may lead to significant routing overhead. The destination is found that the packet delivery ratio significantly falls to the threshold. The detection scheme would be triggered again to detect for continuous maintenance and real-time reaction efficiency. It not efficient for data transferring from one node to another, and it does not have any security process. Then the malicious node do not replay any acknowledgement data from source node. Data flow. First, initialize the network, that means network capture, and create nodes. User create number of nodes and then select a destination node. The user select the source and destination node, then select malicious and non-malicious data. If the user select any one of the data, and then it separate the malicious node and non-malicious node. And then attack detection. The user detect the attackers and create alternative path. Then the data transfer from one place to another, that means source to destination. It has any attacker's node, that means malicious node, to transfer the transfer the path, and that is alternative path. Then traffic reducer, and finally transmit the data, that means data transmission. Now I'm going to running the project defending against collaborative attacks by malicious node in minutes, a cooperative by detections approach. First I'm clicking the enter button, then it moves to next frame. Here I'm going to create the number of nodes, and it get connections will be connected. Then I'm clicking source node. I'm giving any one of the node, source node, and the receiver node also I'm giving. Then I'm clicking next button, it moves to path and intermediate node. First I'm getting the clustering data, and here displaying the number of clusters. Then it moves to next frame. It has a malicious node. I'm going to get the malicious node and getting the alternative path. Then I'm clicking next button, it moves to next frame. It is an alternate path, show path, and next frame. Here I'm going to the path, here showing the alternative path. Then I'm clicking next button, it moves to next frame. Here get details, show details, and cluster head. Here having, first I'm getting the number of nodes, then cluster head I'm getting, here it be displayed. Then cluster nodes, it moves to next frame. Here I'm going to get the cluster heads and the number of nodes. Here I'm enter the node, that means a 5, will be searching the nearest node 6, and enter the query search. Here I'm giving the more than about 20 I'm going to give. Here I'm clicking circle 1 having A having 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then I'm clicking circle 2 having 5 nodes. Here I'm getting any one of the destinations node. I'm clicking next to apply explosive method. Here I'm searching the data, then I'm choosing any one of the data from my system. Any one of the data, here I'm going to take here display the data, then send to destinations. Then I'm clicking next. Here I'm going to reduce the traffic. Node A having more time to display the values. Here taking more time. Then node B to reduce the time to comparing node A, and node C having having the values, certainly having the values. Here all nodes are displayed. Then moves to next frame. Circle 2 and the destination 4. The searching and the path to be displayed. And next here destination path, here the data to be received. Finally the graph comparison between existing and proposed system. Thank you.